Hi everybody, thanks for clicking this video. Today I'm gonna be reviewing and swatching these three shades from Mars Lip Lip Mist. Also, I'm gonna be comparing these three shades with other Korean lip tints. So I'm gonna be starting with my favorite shade, which is Cocoa Drip, and let's see how it looks on two-toned pigmented lips. This is the shade Cocoa Drip. This lip tint has gel formula, and this lip tint will give you glassy, dewy, water-like finish on your lips. And if you drink something or eat something, the glossy finish will be gone and only the stain will be left on your lips. Let's see how this lip tint leaves stain. Okay, so this is Cocoa Drip from Mars Cosmetics. This is dark coconut, and you're gonna see how dark coconut looks very almost like identical with Cocoa Drip. See? Also on the lips they look very similar. The stain comparison hence proved the Mars Drip Lip Mist leaves stronger stain. Let's swatch the shade Mulberry Drip. So this is the shade Mulberry Drip, and I think the shade Mulberry Drip is pretty similar to the shade Waiso Berry from Peri Pera Ink Mood Glow Tint range. So this is Mulberry Drip. Now let's swatch the shade Waiso Berry. See, these are pretty similar. Staining test. Again, Mars wins in terms of staining power. This one was Mulberry Drip and this one was Waiso Berry from Peri Pera. Coming to the last shade, it is Cranberry Drip. I honestly love this type of rosy brown shade. This is a stain. So this is Cranberry Drip. Let's watch Peri Pera Red update from Water Bear range. So this is Red update. They are very similar. So if you really want to try one particular shade from this range, I would say you should go for either Cocoa Drip or Cranberry Drip, because these two shades will flatter almost every single skin tone and every makeup look as well. I have a lot of Korean lip tints from different brands, but these lip tints actually performed better than other Korean lip tints when it comes to the lasting and staining power. But I wish that they offer more nude and muted shades, but all of the shades in this range are pretty bright. I would say only the Cocoa Drip is on the brownish side, but other than that every other color of this range are pretty bright and vibrant. And one thing I totally forgot to say is that they oxidizes a lot. They are super long lasting. I wore them several times. I wore them to a marriage function, and there I ate a lot of oily heavy food. When I came back home, I was surprised to see that the stain was still there. Only the gloss layer of it was gone totally, but the stain was still intact. Obviously not so strong, but there was stain, basically all I'm trying to say. So I'm really impressed with these Mars Drip Lip Mist, and you can literally get them under 200 rupees nowadays because they are always on discount in Nykaa and Myntra. Under 200 rupees, it's a very good lippies. You should totally grab at least one shade. If they launch more nude shades, I will buy even more shades from this range. So yeah, this is the swatch and my review on Mars Drip Lip Mist. Thanks for watching.